Oluremi Tinubu to lead national prayer. In a powerful display of interfaith solidarity, First Lady Senator Oluremi Tinubu and National Security Advisor Nuhu Ribadu have called upon the Nigerian populace to join in a national prayer session to seek divine intervention for the country's complex challenges. Speaking at a press briefing in Abuja, Chief Sigan Balogun Afolarunakin, Director General of the National Prayer Forum, underscored the importance of unity in overcoming the nation's struggles, emphasizing that through collective action, Nigerians can find enduring solutions. In a move that signals a deep commitment to diversity and inclusion, Muslims will gather at the National Mosque in Abuja for 7 days, while Christians will congregate at the National Ecumenical Center for a week-long prayer session, with individuals from different denominations coming together in the spirit of unity to pray for Nigeria's well-being. The power of prayer is a potent force that can heal our nation's wounds, unite our people, Afolarunakin emphasized, adding that the prayer sessions will bring together thousands of believers across different faiths. We have reached out to Muslim, Christian, and traditional leaders, including the President of the Christian Association of Nigeria and the Sultan of Sokoto.